Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to make a payment with a payment request link. Making a payment using a payment request link allows patients and debtors to settle their accounts quickly and securely. GoodX Payment Links are fully integrated with a secure online payment platform through the myGC patient portal. This gives patients a simple, familiar payment experience, while helping practices reduce outstanding accounts and streamline financial administration. This tutorial begins from the payment request email received from the practice. When you receive the payment request, click on the View It Here button to open the myGC portal. Alternatively, you can click directly on the payment request link in the message. Both options will take you to the secure myGC portal. Once you've verified your identity, the payment screen will open. Here, you'll see any outstanding balances linked to your account. Click on the Pay All Outstanding button to pay for all your outstanding invoices. This will take you to the Make a Payment screen. For more information on the available payment options, please refer to the myGC account Payment Methods tab, user manual linked in this video's description. Once you've reviewed your payment details, click on the Pay Now button. After a few moments, you'll see a confirmation that the payment was successful. Next, click on the Download Summary of Payment button to download your payment summary. Your payment summary will be downloaded automatically and can be printed for your records. You'll also receive a confirmation email to verify that your payment has been successfully completed. And that's it. You've successfully made a payment using a GoodX Payment request link.